Good morning. Good. It is Carnival Day 3. And we are ported in Labadee, IAT. This is my hair. And we are going to go to breakfast. This is my little cover up. We got to get our waterproof thingy. My pack, my band, and my bathing suit match. And this is Bay. Got all the other stuff in here. We're gonna go eat breakfast. Let's see. I don't think we've poured it yet. I don't know, but I can show y'all. This is what Haiti looks like. I can hear a lot of people over there. I can hear music and vibes. Look at on the boat. So yeah, we here. Let's go eat. Haiti, we have arrived. The Frasers, not yet, but almost the Frasers have made it to Haiti. Look at this. Haiti. We are here.
Oh, look, that's probably good.
On a Monday morning, about to cut up. You can't tell me nothing. Look at the boat. Look at how big this was. Look how big that boat is. That's the boat we got off of. They got music playing. They got all this touristy stuff for us to do. But we got reservations for jet skis, so we probably should hurry up and go over there because we're already late. But let's go. I don't have any change because I always take them. Walking up here. Baby, where we at? Labadee. Haiti. We're going up to the top of this little peak here. We're almost at the top. All right, we made it. Oh, look over there, babe. Oh,
Push me out of here.
that's where we were. That's where we came off the boat. Picturesque. No, there's a tower over there.
I'm just saying this whole thing was recorded. Take a picture of me.
Got shoes in hand. Look at this beach, y'all. We gotta find some picturesque pictures. Rum slushy. Rum slushy. They literally just put slush in a rum. Can't get more basic than that.
Can I get a cherry?
Thank you.
Just because nobody ever take cash, I can't never break my bills.
Right. He put a big shot of rum at the bottom and then just put an icy on top. That's what I'm talking about, Haiti. It probably was a whale, but somebody done messed it up and fell down there. They had to plug it back. Try to make it seem like it's one of the rides. I haven't seen that one bird. I haven't.
Yeah, I did that one.
They lost so much money.
Oh, yeah.
For us peasants, we can't go over there. Private beach club. A hammock. We gotta get in a hammock too. Smoking area right there. kids section for the babies. So you can see his pride. Over here. Oh, this is a oh, that's cute. They have a whole bunch of shit in here. Y'all have nice stuff.
Hello, sister. Good morning.
Hello, how you doing?
Yes, fine. Just there is something.
I feel underdressed.
There's something visit for me. No push, no pull. You know one look for me. Come on. Labadee.
What?
Yeah, we had one just a few seconds ago.
Thank you. So yeah, so we're just chilling. Maybe we'll go later. Maybe not. So yeah, we couldn't get on a jet ski because the wind. So we're just trying to get a little sun-kissed and then we'll go back, I guess. But it's still beautiful. Everybody's outside. Mr. Rohan. Thank you, my good sir. Thank you. Sabina Cola. Oh, I spilled it. Thank you so much.
Everything I blended the booze inside.
I blend the booze. Okay, you blend the booze inside?
And then I just top it off still. So you have it like double.
Oh, double. Double.
Thank you.
All right, we need the double. We need the double. Mr. Rohan here hooked us up.
Grab the truck on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is the silent?
We're eating lunch. We're back on the ship. We done showered. We done changed. Our dinner reservations are until 6. So, we're eating. And then just going to hang out until our dinner reservations at 6. We are going to dinner. It is day 3. We've rested. Labadee, Haiti was nice to us. So, this is the little outfit. Fit. Because everybody be trying to stunt. And I gotta show all these outfits I packed 2 packs for. So.
Right.
Now. Then Bay just back. So
I got a regular shirt on.
We're going to dinner. And then hopefully a show. So fingers crossed the line ain't long because we couldn't get a reservation.
You can't get a reservation, but they said you show up.
So let's go hurry up and eat and then let's stand in line.
Should we bring that?
Okay. Bye. Gotta make sure we have time. Jumbo. You want a crab cake?
I think I'm gonna do crab cake.
Alright, I'm gonna get this pepper bacon.
I've tried tuna tartare before. I didn't like it.
It's caviar's in there. I can't have it anyways.
What?
Caviar is in the tuna tartare. Alright, I think I wanna get lamb. First date. Second date, still nervous. Second date, still nervous.
Oh my god.
And then of course in the in-house, high seat, our recommendation is for the 9 times
Got a 10-year glass. Just drink the wine.
Good.
You like it?
I do. So much. Pretty much can drink anything else.
Yeah. I'm picky, he's not. Ooh, fancy.
Thank you.
All right. Enjoy.
And I'll be right back with your lavender water.
Wait. You didn't shake it.
Just stop.
You didn't sniff it. Nothing. What's your opinion?
I'll go with my team. Say one thing.
Which one is this one?
Barney sauce.
Sure, I'll try some of that. Just a little bit of it.
All of that?
Just on the side.
This one?
Yep, just a little bit though. Yep. Thank you. That's good.
You want another one too?
Hold up.
So don't look like me. My martini, we got his wine. It's really good. Really good. Labadee, Haiti. You have been so good to us. So We'll catch you tomorrow in day 4 vlog for San Juan, Puerto Rico. Say bye, babe.
Bye, babe.
Good night. Bye.